solar energy. You don't have to pay 40,000 rupees for going from Delhi to Bombay. And that is the attitude we should develop. I hope that you will be able to do it. I would like to congratulate you for providing an opportunity to all of us to think about these things. But please have a broader outlook which is helpful to everybody and not only to one section of the society. If you help everybody, that section of society will benefit like anything. You might not have imagined how much of profit they would be getting if you really develop this thing. What we need today is the system, as you have produced the thermal system for photovoltaic system. Take it and just fix it on the top of it. And if you produce it in your industry privately, you will say many people would be there to have it. So let the industrialist also to produce as what they are producing, the vehicles, the cell phones, the computers, all other things. And if people are ready to pay so much for cars, 1 crore, 2 crores of rupees a car, they will definitely be able to pay a few thousand rupees for these devices also. I wish all the best to your efforts in this direction.
Thank you for your inspiring and enlightening address, sir. I'm sure your vision for harnessing solar energy by all will come true in the near future. May I now request Mr. Alekya Datta, Research Associate, TERI, to please propose the vote of thanks.
Thanks, Radhika. Good afternoon to you all. We believe it was indeed a great startup for our conference on accelerated deployment of solar PV systems in India. First of all, we'd like to thank His Excellency Sri Sivraj Patil sir for delivering an enthusiastic speech on how to promote rooftop PV systems in India. And we all should agree and able to follow your track, sir, what you have suggested here today. We would also like to thank Mr. Santosh Kumar, CEO Crest, for his dedication and support throughout this initiative, which has been taken by TERI. Would also like to thank Mr. Chinmay Acharya from Shakti Sustainable Energy Foundation. Without support from you, sir, we are not able to initiate this activity, which is one of the first of its kind activity in India. I would like to thank Dr. Leena Srivastava ma'am from TERI to release our WebGIS tool in this event. And we'd also like to thank our supporters for this conference, Ministry